Welcome, friends and family. We are gathered here again in the presence of God and this company to join together this man, Keith, and this woman, Jamie, in matrimony.
I was a boat stuck in a bottle that never got the chance to touch the sea. Just forgot on the shelf, no wind in the sails, going nowhere with no one but me. I was 1 in 100 billion, a burnout star in a galaxy. Just lost in the sky, wondering why everyone else shines out for me. But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours.
You got a shawl. Look at that.
You look so handsome.
I was a worn out set of shoes, wandering the city streets. Another face in the crowd, head looking down, lost in the sound of a lonely melody. An empty
I'd like you to look at one another. Remember this moment in time. Before this moment, you have been many things to one another. Acquaintance, friend, companion, lover, dancing partner. Yeah? No, maybe?
I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before.
Hi.
This is beautiful as last time. Look at you.
Look how handsome you
New
are.
heartbeat inside of me. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm
To you, Keith, take Jamie to be your loving wife, to share a married life together. Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in all ways and forever?
I do.
Do you, Jamie, take Keith to be your loving husband, to share a married life together? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him always and forever?
I do.
But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before.
You may now kiss for the first time as husband and wife.